Hi, my name is Shruti Narayan and I'm from realacres.com, and right now I'm with Mr. Devang V. Trivedi, the very own MD of Progressive Group. Hello. So how was your whole experience about this exhibition?
The experience over a period of years has been positive, and this is the eighth exhibition, and I have been having the privilege of having been the exhibition committee chairman for 6 years, and I have always been in the committee of exhibition. So I have seen the profile of participants bettering, Navi Mumbai being showcased on a different and a much more larger platform. Thirdly, I see a lot of enthusiasm in terms of people wanting to communicate more and more about their projects, upgradation of the projects, stalls, and there's a lot many channels being used in terms of medium of marketing like press, media, computer, and this thing. So I think it's overall a very. I feel nice that the whole industry per se is looking at communication through an exhibition as one of the strongest mode of marketing and communication.
There's something more I would like to tell you about Mr. Trivedi. He's not just a builder, but he has a lot more to it. He is a qualified engineer and done his civil engineering and also an MBA. So you know that he knows things really well, like the minutest details of building. And the speciality of his constructions are that he uses the color white and black, which is white is supposed to be a very subtle color and which is very calm. As you can see, his constructions, they're very simple and they're very classy.
New Bombay has got all the infrastructure in terms of water, excellent schools, Delhi Public School, DAV School, Father Agnel School, best of colleges, best of MBA institutes. You have a good road network here. You have a waterfront.
New international airport also is coming.
International airport coming up in future, golf course. And you also have a spiritual infrastructure in terms of temples, masjid, which are allocated. You have playgrounds, gardens, very well thought of, very well put up. And over and above all this thing, which something which were never there in New Bombay is now people are coming up to New Bombay out of their own choice. There was a time when people used to look at budget constraints and they were forced to come here. Now many people say, okay, this is also an alternate way of living, and they are happy staying here. Secondly, there is an excellent growth in terms of IT, BPO, call centers. A lot of companies like DAKC, Reliance Infocom, and Patni Global, Mastech, Logicon, they have set up their offices here, and the SEZ that is coming up in future, that will give excellent employment opportunity to the people. I would say people from white collared, blue collared opportunity, and running into lakhs. So this is a place I feel people should come in now as soon as possible, or there will be a time which I feel then people might feel that they lost out this opportunity.
Well, for all you people who have just heard what he said and the word of caution, it's something very true. And I really think house is something which you should think a lot before buying. So do research, find out about the builders, and then only buy a house, because your house is where the heart is. So it has to be a very safe place where you're comfortable.